Good morning, students. I hope all of you are safe. Due to COVID, we started our online classes. Otherwise, nowadays, all of you are present in college. So here today, we start some basic things, not as a full-fledged regular classes we have to start here. Some basic things we have to start. And out of this, today we discuss about trigonometry. ইয়াত আমি কথাবিলাক কওঁতে ইংৰাজী আৰু অসমীয়া দুইটা মিক্স কৰিয়ে ক'ব লাগিব। ইয়াত হয়তো সবে অসমীয়া বুজি নাপাবও পাৰে, সেইকাৰণে আমি ইংৰাজীটো বস্তুবিলাক শুনিব লাগিব। So trigonometry, actually what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies relationships between sides and angles of a triangles. Trigonometry to actually mathematics or এনেকুৱা এটা branch হয় য'ত আমি trianglesৰ side আৰু anglesৰ বিষয়ে বা তেহেঁতৰ মাজত থকা ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপটোৰ বিষয়ে আমি আলোচনা কৰোঁ। So as you see here, trigonometry. If we separate this trigonometry into two parts, so first one is trigono, another one is metry. So actually trigono means triangle and metry means measure. So as you see here, the diagram given, triangle, we consider a triangle ABC where the sides are AB, BC and AC. And here the angles are angle A, B and C, as well as the sides are we consider A, B and C. So trigonometry means triangle as well as measure. Is it clear? Now actually this word trigonometry is derived from Greek words. Trigonometry, there are three terms are there in Greek words, trigon and metry means here metron, which one modified, after modifying we write metry, otherwise it is metron. So tri or tri, that means we know trigon, that means the sides, and metron, that means measure. So as you see here written, tri meaning is trigon meaning is sides and metron is what? Measure. Is it clear? Okay, now here actually the trigonometry come from where? At first the earliest known, the trigonometry is come from Egypt and Babylon. So that's why here written the earliest known work on trigonometry was recorded in Egypt and Babylon. Is it clear? So this one is about the introduction of trigonometry. তো ইয়াত এইখিনি আছিল আমাৰ ইন্ট্ৰোডাকশন পাৰ্ট। ইটো আমি ট্ৰিগোনোমেট্ৰিৰ ভিতৰলৈ যোৱাৰ আগতে তাৰ কিছুমান বেসিক হিষ্ট্ৰী আমি চাই লওঁ। ট্ৰিগোনোমেট্ৰিটো আমি পঢ়ি আছোঁ, ক্লাছ 10ত আমি পাই আহিছোঁ, কিন্তু তাৰ হয়তো বহুতে জানিবও পাৰে, বহুতে নাজানিবও পাৰে ইয়াৰ বেসিক হিষ্ট্ৰী। ট্ৰিগোনোমেট্ৰি একচুৱেলি ক'ৰ পৰা আহিলে, কি হয়, কেনেকৈ আহিলে, তাৰ বিষয়ে আমি ডিছকাছ কৰিম আজি। সো তাৰ কাৰণে ইয়াত ফাৰ্ষ্ট পইণ্টটো যিটো দিয়া হৈছে, এজ ইউ সি হিয়াৰ, who is the father of trigonometry? Who is the father of trigonometry? Trigonometry father kon? So the father of trigonometry is Hipparchus. So as you see here written, the first trigonometric table was apparently compiled by Hipparchus, who is consequently now known as the father of trigonometry. প্ৰথম যিখন ট্ৰিগোনোমেট্ৰিক টেবল সেইখন হাইপাৰকাছে উলিয়াইছিলে তো সেইকাৰণে এই হাইপাৰকাছক কোৱা হয় ফাদাৰ অফ trigonometry. Is it clear? Okay, now you see the next one. Who invented trigonometry? So obviously father of trigonometry, is not it? That means the mathematician Hipparchus. So if you see here, the first known table of chord was produced by the Greek mathematician Hipparchus in about 140 BC. Although these tables have not survived, it is claimed that 12 books of tables of chords were written by Hipparchus. This makes Hipparchus the founder of trigonometry. So, table of chords. So, if you see this diagram here, the table of chords. Chords, all of you know. In ancient time, the Hipparchus used this circle. With the help of this circle, here if we draw the chords, so description is given here. If you read this one, with the help of this chord, in ancient time, the trigonometric calculations are doing. Is it clear? So that's why Hipparchus was also known as the founder of trigonometry. Is it clear? Okay. So, if anyone asks you who is the father of trigonometry, then obviously our answer is Hipparchus. And if anyone asks you who invented trigonometry, then also our answer is mathematician Hipparchus. Clear? So, হয়তো বহুতে এইটো কথা জানিবও পাৰে, কিন্তু মই আকৌ এবাৰ ৰিপিট কৰি দিছোঁ। So the third point now, what is trigonometry and why is it important? So what is trigonometry? Tar bikoy moi nokolo hobo sage, because already know it is a relationship between sides and angles. So the main part is here, why is it important? So already written here, if you see, as one of the most important fields of mathematics, particularly for careers that are built around calculating angles, all of you know, a working knowledge of trigonometry and its uses is important for students of all ages. আমি ইয়াত 10 পৰা trigonometry start কৰো, up to higher studies লৈকে আমি সদায় trigonometry use কৰিয়ে থাকিম. So these are the importance here. Clear? Okay. Now the next point. Next point is here. Which one is the most important part here? What are the occupations that uses trigonometry, or what are 6 occupations that use trigonometry? এইটো আমাৰ totally directly জবৰ লগত related আছে. আমি যদি trigonometry জানো, তেতিয়াহ'লে সেই trigonometry থ্ৰুৱেদি আমি কেনেকুৱা জব পাব পাৰো. So first one, all of you know engineers. Engineering to trigonometry use hoye thake. Secondly, the medical service technicians. And the next one is the mathematician. The mathematician trigonometry to users of monopolo hobo sake. Then next one is data entry specialist. Yat jiman bilak point ko esu hebila sob eta জবৰ পোস্ট হয়. আমি ট্ৰিগোনোমেট্ৰিৰ থ্ৰুৱেদি ডাটা এন্ট্ৰি স্পেচিয়েলিষ্টৰ জব পাব পাৰোঁ. Loggers means all of you know. মই বেছি একো নকওঁ লগাৰ্ছৰ বিষয়ে. মানুহে গছ কটা দেখিছা নহয়, আৰু তাৰ মিনিংটো তোমালোকে নিজে চাই ল'বা কি. Statistician, actuaries, drafters, chemists, economics, physics, and many more. তো মেথমেটিক্সৰ ৰোল আমাৰ ডে টু ডে লাইফত কিমান ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় আৰু তাৰ ওপৰতে বেছ কৰি ট্ৰিগোনোমেট্ৰি আমাৰ ডে টু ডে লাইফত কিমান ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট আছে। তো ট্ৰিগোনোমেট্ৰি নহ'লে আমাৰ মেথমেটিক্স টোটেলি আধা হৈ যাব। তো থ্ৰু ট্ৰিগোনোমেট্ৰিৰ আমি কনচেপ্টবিলাক যদি আমি ক্লিয়াৰ কৰি ৰাখিব পাৰোঁ, আমি তেতিয়াহ'লে এই যিমানবিলাক অকুপেশ্যনছ ইয়াত তোমাৰ যিমানবিলাক পইণ্ট দিয়া হৈছে এইবিলাকত আমাৰ জব পাবৰ কাৰণে সুবিধা হ'ব। আশা কৰোঁ তোমালোকে ট্ৰিগোনোমেট্ৰিটোক যথেষ্ট ইম্পৰ্টেঞ্চ দিবা আৰু আমি নেক্সট ক্লাছত ট্ৰিগোনোমেট্ৰিৰ কিছুমান বেছিক ফৰ্মুলা, বেছিক ৰুলছ আমি ডিছকাছ কৰিম। হ'ব? Is it clear? Okay. Thank you.